What's up everyone? Brock here from ERGO Styling Tools. Today I'm going to be talking about our professionally exclusive hot razor. You see, a lot of times when you're working behind the chair using a razor, it's damaging to the hair. It's blowing out that cuticle, really messing up the client's hair. So we wanted to design something that did not do that, but still gave you the creative freedom of a razor. So the birth of the hot razor came out. We designed this to have a long 10-foot cord, really giving you that creative freedom when A, you're working behind the chair, doing amazing haircuts, or if you're blending out wigs or hair extensions, creating texture, doing whatever you want to do with the razor. But also, it can be used on wet or dry hair, which is the greatest part about it. Because a lot of times when you use a razor on dry hair especially, it blows out that cuticle so bad, but not with the ERGO Hot Razor. It also heats up to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. One last thing I want to talk about is the dual lifespan blades. Traditionally on a razor, when it's done, you have to throw it in the strap container, but not an ERGO razor. Come check this out. So when the razor is dull, you're going to take the lever on the razor, push it up, and it's going to take the blade and push it out just 1/4 of an inch. You can see this little notch here. You're going to take that notch and you're going to push it against the notch on the box. This is the box of blades. You're going to take down and just push it. Now you can see that notch is not there anymore because what happened is it moved the blade over 1/8 of an inch. So everything that was exposed in front of the guard is now behind and everything behind is now in front, giving you dual lifespan blades. It is truly incredible. Now you can go do your razor cuts, you can do your wigs, your extensions, whatever you do with a razor. Don't forget about it. Check out the ERGO Hot Razor and have a good one today. Peace!